Hi, my name's Tracy from Fiddes Australia, and today I'd like to talk to you about caring for your hard wax oil surface. Hard wax oil is a blend of natural oils and offers exceptional durability. Today we're going to talk about how to care for it so that it will last a very long time, and that's a very simple process. Firstly, let's talk about floors. It's very important to keep dirt and grit off your floors because that can cause fine scratching. We suggest just using electrostatic mop or a broom or a vacuum cleaner with a soft head on it. For cleaning purposes, we recommend the Fiddes Wood Floor Cleaner. So this is a 1 litre concentrate. It's diluted to warm water and used as required. You can even put it in one of those spray microfiber mops and pre-dilute it into the little container and then use it as required as well. This 1 litre concentrate will last you a very long time. We also have our Floor Reviver kit. Inside the Floor Reviver kit is a 1 litre concentrate and also a bottle of the Floor Reviver fluid. Now this can be useful in helping to eliminate any scratches that can occur on the floor, and all the instructions are inside the kit. Another way to look after your floor is to protect any mobile furniture. We have a range of floor protection products here that are designed to be used on any mobile furniture like chairs, tables, couches, or anything that may slide around on the floor. This is the clear floor sleeve. Starts off on the larger size, which is suitable for couches or for your dining tables and coffee tables, and then goes down in sizes to the smaller one here, which is suitable for small chairs. We also have our wraparound. So the wraparound, if we just take off the paper here, is a sticky plastic, and you can see it's got the felt underneath, and you wrap the plastic around the leg of the sled chair, and then that can offer you your protection. My personal favorite in the range is the VersaGlide. This is what I have on all my furniture at home. So it's a two-part system. First of all, we knock on the little plastic top here onto the bottom of the chair leg, and then we attach the cap, which is a felt cap, onto the bottom of that. Now, these are fantastic. If this wears away, we also do sell these individually so that you don't have to replace the whole lot. That these last forever. I've had mine on for a couple of years now and they still haven't needed to be replaced, so they're brilliant. All of these are available on our website. For other surfaces with our hard wax oil, like dining tables, coffee tables, kitchen bench tops, any type of furniture, we have a pre-diluted surface spray that you can use. Spray it on liberally and just use a microfiber cloth to remove. It's as simple as that. This also comes available in our furniture care kit, which contains the pre-diluted spray and also a microfiber cloth, and that is also available on our website. It's extremely important to note that you should not use any ammonia or bleach-based cleaners on your hard wax oil surface, whether it's a floor or furniture. It's also very important not to use any eucalyptus or citrus-based cleaners. The reason being that these can strip the coating and therefore reducing the durability and the life of your surface, your floor or furniture. So please stay away from those cleaners, and from our advice would be to use the recommended products from the Fiddes range. Now these are available from your local stockist, which you can find on our website, www.fiddesaustralia.com, or alternatively you can purchase from our website as well. Good luck with your hard wax oil surface. I know you're going to enjoy it for many, many years to come. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with our products, please contact us via the inquiries form on our website or call the number on the website, and one of our lovely customer service people will be able to assist you.